Hey, what's up guys? It's Brian from J&P Cycles. In my hands, I have a 4-in-1 Two Brothers Racing exhaust. Now this is a stainless steel exhaust system with a carbon fiber basket weave, and it's their black series. It's really pretty. It's gonna go on this 2015 ZX6. It already has a slip-on, but it still has a stock header and stock cat on it. We're gonna throw this on today, see what kind of weight we could save, power we can get, and sound that we can create out of it. Some of the tools you'll need is a ratchet, 12mm socket, 12mm wrench, 10mm wrench, 4mm Allen, 5mm Allen, 6mm Allen, a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and the Two Brothers provided spring puller. But first, in order to get to it, we're gonna have to take off this bodywork. Let me drop this off and let's get cranking on the bodywork. Make sure to undo the turn signal here. Cool, there we have it, man. That's the body work. Make sure you store this in a cool, dry place away from small animals and children, and keep it from getting scratched. I'm gonna go set this down, move the rest of the body work, and then we'll start taking off this OEM exhaust. All right, once you place your body work to the side, we're actually gonna start from the back and work our way up to the front. Let's move the silencer, the catalytic converter, and the headers one step at a time. So the head pipe's a little tricky to get to because of the radiator. I'm gonna try and do this without dropping it, but I'm just gonna go one bolt at a time with my 12mm wrench. Slow and steady wins the race, maybe? All right, now that I got all the nuts off the stud bolts here, we're going to just simply and carefully remove the header. There you have it. Let's put on something a little bit shinier and definitely a lot less weight. All right, we're actually going to start from the inverse. We're going to start from the front and work our way back, starting with the head pipe. So as you can see, it's a pretty quick install, really just a handful of tools, and it really changes the look of the bike. Now again, we had a slip-on there before, so it looked pretty good, but this really makes everything compact. And you can see here too, I mean, the plumbing is really pretty and really nice. Before you fire it up, give it a quick wipe down, get any fingerprints, any grease off of it, make sure everything's tight, and then reap the rewards, man. Fire it up and listen to it sing. Man, that thing sounds pretty good. So I'm pretty excited about this. So it looks good, it has a good note to it. You know, the next thing I have to do is throw a tune into it. Luckily, we've already installed the Power Commander 5. If you're curious on how to do that yourself, check the description. There's a link below. We've already installed one on here. Make sure at jpcycles.com you put in your year, make, and model when ordering one of these exhausts to make sure that you get the right fitment for your bike. I'm ready, man. I'm gonna put the body work on this thing and then get it out and get on the road. So we'll see you out there on the road.